Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes. Today, we're sharing some beautiful flower gardening ideas to help you create a dreamy garden right at home. Whether you have a small balcony or a big backyard, adding colorful flowers has never been easier. Just imagine enjoying your morning tea surrounded by blooming flowers. With a few simple tips and creative ideas, you can transform any space into a floral paradise. So let's begin this journey toward building your dream flower garden, a peaceful place you'll love every day. Who doesn't dream of a lovely flower garden at home? With just a little planning and the right choice of flowers, you can turn any balcony, rooftop, or yard into a magical flower space. Picture waking up to the fresh scent of blossoms and vibrant colors greeting you every day. All you need are natural plants, seasonal flowers, and a bit of creativity to fill your life with beauty and joy. Start creating a garden that makes you smile every time you see it. If you want a blooming flower garden even in small spaces, start by understanding your area. Whether it's a balcony, rooftop, or backyard, there are perfect flowers for every spot. Try petunias in hanging baskets, marigolds in window boxes, and roses in pots for a stunning mix. With these combinations, your garden will look like a colorful canvas. And don't forget, sunlight and regular watering are key. Flowers bloom best when cared for, with love and attention. Have you ever thought how a small flower garden can bring so much happiness? Flowers are not just about beauty. They bring a sense of calm and peace to your home. Watching a new bud bloom each morning, feeling its fragrance. It's like nature's therapy. So why not create your own little paradise? Plant some colorful flowers, care for them with love, and see how they bring life and joy to your space. A garden full of flowers is a home full of happiness. If you're thinking of starting a flower garden, begin with easy-to-grow flowers, like marigolds, roses, and zinnias. They don't need much care, just regular watering and a little sunlight, and they'll bloom beautifully. If you have limited space, try vertical gardens or hanging pots. And don't forget to add colorful planters and small decorations to give your garden a unique look. After all, a flower garden isn't just about plants. It's about adding your creativity and love to your home. Imagine a garden filled with colors and fragrance. And yes, you can create that in your own home. Even a small balcony can become a flower paradise. Hang beautiful flower baskets. Let climbers grow along the railing and set up small flower beds. Did you know? You can even use recycled items like old mugs or buckets as creative planters. So, let your creativity flow. Plant vibrant flowers and turn your dream garden into reality. Every home deserves a blooming corner. For me, flower gardening is more than a hobby. It's therapy. Planting a tiny seed, watching it grow into a beautiful flower, brings a special kind of peace. You can experience this too. Just start small. Plant some roses, daisies, or lilies, whatever you love. And as they bloom, you'll notice how they fill not only your home, but also your heart with joy. So why wait? Begin creating your dream flower garden today and add a little magic to your everyday life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.